बहुत खतरनाक लाइन है, आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिएगा। जब किसी अपनों ने कहा था कि हुनर नहीं है तुम में, जब किसी अपनों ने कहा था कि हुनर नहीं है तुम में, तो अब गैरों से कहलवा दिया कि होनहार हो तुम। तो अब गैरों से कहलवा दिया कि होनहार हो तुम। इतनी गैर जिम्मेदारी से दिल तोड़ा मेरा कि आज उस कामयाबी के जिम्मेदार हो तुम। First of all, good morning all of you. My name is Isha and today is our presentation session. You know that presentation session is a very good session because clear your hesitations, improve your speaking skills, eye contact and improve your body language. And आज मेरा एक ऐसे जगह पे ले जाना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे बहुत सारे देखने के लिए बहुत सारे खूबसूरत जगह है, बहुत सारे साफ सुथरा बहुत सारे है, जिसका नाम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। You know that?
Yeah.
Buddha.
Gautam Buddha.
Yeah. उससे एक ये सेंटेंस है, you know that you are a small child before and childhood time and you know that sir asks a question, gaya gaya gaya. So amazing line. And okay, firstly I explain Gautam Buddha. And Gautam Buddha was born on 563 BC and his childhood name was Siddhartha and his father's name was the Siddho and mother's name was the Maya Devi. And do you know Gautam Buddha?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Gautam Buddha was a very big temple in Gaya, located in Gaya, and she is a very famous place and a holy place and so amazing place. I go to the Gaya and I visit, we and our family visit there and so many very funs and I want to one quotes. बुद्ध भगवान का कहना था कि क्रोध से क्रोध को नहीं जीता जा सकता, क्रोध से क्रोध को नहीं जीता जा सकता, प्रेम से जीता जा सकता है। धैर्य एक सबसे बड़ा तप है और सत्य एक अनमोल रत्न है, उसे संभाल कर रखो। I can explain. And Buddha festival, you know that Buddha festival? Buddha festival is the very famous festivals and it falls on the moon falls on the at night Vaisakhi and it comes on the April to May and this is a very so amazing day and Buddhist and we are also and these days the make the mummy cook foods, puri, kheer and halwa, make many various food and so tasty and I so like and there are many Buddhist comes to the Bodh Gaya and Bodh Gaya side and very many peoples the worship do the pray and the I saw Bodh Gaya go to the air and I saw the one people tree, very big tree and so damaged sometimes and one seems to crack and one attach the stores and one people tree under the Buddha God lots of knowledge gain to lots of knowledge and Buddha Bhagwan have a lots of knowledge and Buddha Bhagwan father says to one suggestions and you not go to home outside and Buddha Bhagwan have a no idea on this childhood time कि I have a बाहर का क्या I have a outside to this situation in this village sides I have no idea and every time present on the home and one day after marriage to Buddha Bhagwan outside one servant go here and there and every person can guess and every situation guess and keep one dead bodies go to this sites and ask the servants questions what is this so Gautam Buddha had no idea and servant have idea and servant says this is the dead person every person this one situations go there and I want to one quotes I want to one quotes कोई भी मुश्किल थका नहीं सकती, कोई भी मुश्किल थका नहीं सकती, रास्ते की रुकावट गिरा नहीं सकती, अगर जुनून हो जीतने का तो हार भी हरा नहीं सकती। Again explain. I saw many small things against the Bodh Gaya, and my families and me go to the Bodh Gaya, and small things. First of all, you get outside under the Bodh Gaya temples, and firstly I noticed that small thing. And firstly, while you reserve these sites, and your slippers firstly slippers outside inside these insides are the kept, and you go to under, and firstly one thing and noticed, and you full checked body as the artificial machines, and anywhere to go under, and under one thing, a big temple, so amazing. This is the old temple, and British you make the temple, and do you know book available on these temples? This is the very old, and this is a so amazing, very big, and this temple under the one gold Gautam Buddha statue, and this is the very so amazing. This temple is very neat and clean, I saw, and these temples around the, and every many types of statue and Gautam Buddha, and this is a small statue, and this is the temple under the big statue, and many Chinese and Buddhist people sit on the floor and do the pray, and every Buddhist pray to the temples. And one things I noticed, and so amazing, I so like this temple, and some distance this temple, both Gaya temples, to distance one Buddha statue is 80 feet. You know that 80 feet. This is the so very big, and you can stay this statue, and so very small. Yeah, I can say this is so very look, and every person so not like this temple, and every person go the 80 feet. You know, it's so very amazing. You go to this this statue, and every person so small. And I want to some quotes. हमें हंसना चाहिए, हमें हंसना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे खून बढ़ता है, हमें हंसना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे खून बढ़ता है, और जो ना हंसता है उसका नाखून बढ़ता है। Okay, again I explain, and I saw, and one thing, and everything mela type, and there the one market bazaar, this the mela type, under the very types of food, and very types of the things, and I can see two girls notice that this person's language is very different. So this type just like, hello Nisha, how are you?" Like so different language. So I so shocked how this is the language, and I so like this language. The very different types of language, and many is the Videshi foreign peoples come to these sites, and you every person time to future time to go to this there, and you can saw this place, and Gaya is a very neat and clean, or Gaya under I go to Gaya, and my Zizu go to Gaya home, and I go to Gaya, and I saw the many types of cow, every cow here and there go to there, and every cow have a knowledge ki your home place, where is my home, and every person evening time go to the home, and morning time every on this cow and go to the freedoms and go to here and there, and every person give the rotis and chapatis and cow the and I fear go to my there and here this inside cow, and I fear ki you beat me and so amazing. And many types of I go to Gaya, and many types of the different types of the move here and there, just like Falgu Nadi and Pitar Paksh Mela, many types of Mela. Every time, every month, one Gandhi Maidan this under Gaya, and every student have a strong, and I can saw this song. Every student have a strong, powerful, and you achieve the goal. And every student run on this grounds, and I am so amazing with this. Yes. I also one time my Jesus forced, and one time you run and you experience future time, and I run these sides, and so very at night time the very tired of this time situations, and I want to one quotes. इक्स मोहब्बत तो हजारों करते हैं, इक्स मोहब्बत तो हजारों करते हैं, पर बिछड़ने से वो सभी डरते हैं। अरे इक्स मोहब्बत तो हजारों करते हैं, पर बिछड़ने से वो सभी डरते हैं। अरे हम तो ना इक्स करते हैं ना मोहब्बत करते हैं, सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों की मुस्कुराहट पे मरते हैं। थैंक यू।